Hari Bol, Dandot Pranam. So I am going to recite Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami, Madhya Lila, chapter 6. Before that, let me pray to Srila Gurudev, to the Guru Varga, to the Supreme Personality of Godhead and his dearest, nearest associates. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मिलितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कान्ता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी ऋषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिये। श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। टेक्स्ट 1 to 6। नवमी तम गौरचंद्रम यह कुतर्क कर्कशाशायम सार्वभौमम सर्वभौमा भक्ति भौमानम आचरत। जय जय गौरचंद्र, जय नित्यानंद, जय अद्वैत चंद्र, जय गौर भक्त वृंद। आवेशे चरिला प्रभु जगन्नाथ मंदिरे, जगन्नाथ देखी प्रेमे हैला अस्थिरे। जगन्नाथ आलिंगिते चलीला धाइया, मंदिरे पड़ीला प्रेमे आविष्ट हैया। दैवे सार्वभौम तहाँ के करे दर्शन, पड़ीछा मारिते तेहों कैला निवारण। प्रभुर सौंदर्य आर प्रेमेर विकार, देखी सार्वभौम हैला विस्मिता पार। Translation: I offer my respectful obeisances unto Lord Gaurchandra, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who converted the hard-hearted Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya, the reservoir of all bad logic, into a great devotee. All glories to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all glories to Lord Nityananda Prabhu, all glories to Advaita Acharya, and all glories to all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya. In ecstasy, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went from Athar Nala to the temple of Jagannath. After seeing Lord Jagannath, he became very restless due to love of Godhead. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went swiftly to embrace Lord Jagannath, but when he entered the temple, he was so overwhelmed with love of Godhead that he fainted to the floor. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell down, Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya happened to see him. When the watchman threatened to beat the Lord, Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya immediately forbade him. Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya was very surprised to see the personal beauty of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as well as the transcendental transformations wrought on his body due to love of Godhead. Text 7 to 13। बहु क्षणे चैतन्य नहे भोगेर काल हैला, सार्वभौम मने तबे उपाय चिंतिला। शिष्य परीक्षा द्वार प्रभु नील वहाना, घरे आनी पवित्र स्थाने राखिला सोयाना। श्वास प्रश्वास नाही उदर स्पंदन, देखिया चिंतित हैला भट्टाचार्यर मन। सूक्ष्म तुला आणि नाशा अग्रेते धरिला, ईशत चलये तुला देखी धैर्य हैला। वसी भट्टाचार्य मने करेन विचार, यही कृष्ण महाप्रेमेर सात्विक विकार। सुदीप्त सात्विक ई नाम ये प्रलय नित्य सिद्ध भक्ति से सुदीप्त भाव है। अधिरूढ़ भाव जार तार ये विकार मनुष्य देहे देखी बड़ चमत्कार। Translation: Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu remained unconscious for a long time. Meanwhile, the time for offering prasadam to Lord Jagannath came and the Bhattacharya tried to think of a remedy. While Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was unconscious, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, with the help of the watchman and some disciples, carried him to his home and laid him down in a very sanctified room. Examining the body of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sarvabhauma saw that his abdomen was not moving and that he was not breathing. Seeing his condition, the Bhattacharya became very anxious. The Bhattacharya then took a fine cotton swab and put it before the Lord's nostrils. When he saw the cotton move very slightly, he became hopeful. Sitting beside Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he thought, this is a transcendental ecstatic transformation brought about by love of Krishna. Upon seeing the sign of Sudipta Satvika, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya could immediately understand the transcendental ecstatic transformation in the body of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Such a sign takes place only in the bodies of eternally liberated devotees. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya considered the uncommon ecstatic symptoms of Adhirudha Bhav are appearing in the body of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is very wonderful. How are they possible in the body of a human being? Text 14 to 22. एत चिंती भट्टाचार्य आछेन बसिया नित्यानंद आदि सिंह द्वारे मिलिला आसिया। तहाँ सुने लोके कहे अनोन्य बात, एक सन्यासी आसी देखी जगन्नाथ। मूर्छित हैला चेतन ना है शरीरे, सार्वभौम लैया गेला आपनार घरे। सुनी सबे जानीला ए महाप्रभुर कार्य, हेन काले आइला तहाँ गोपीनाथ आचार्य। नदिया निवासी विशारदेर जामाता, महाप्रभुर भक्त तेहो प्रभु तत्व ज्ञाता। मुकुंद सहित पूर्वे आछे परिचय, मुकुंद देखिया तार हैला विस्मय। मुकुंद ताहारे देखी कैला नमस्कार, तेहो आलिंगिया पूछे प्रभुर समाचार। मुकुंद कहे प्रभुरा यहाँ हैला आगमने, आमी सब आसिया छी महाप्रभुर सने। नित्यानंद गोसाई के आचार्य कैला नमस्कार, सबे मेली पूछे प्रभुर वार्ता बार बार। Translation: While the Bhattacharya was thinking in this way at his home, all the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, headed by Nityananda Prabhu, approached the Simha Dwar, the main entrance door of the temple. There the devotees heard the people talking about a sannyasi who had come to Jagannath Puri and seen the deity of Jagannath. The people said that the sannyasi had fallen unconscious upon seeing the deity of Lord Jagannath. Because his unconsciousness did not return, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya had taken him to his home. Hearing this, the devotees could understand that they were speaking of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Just then Sri Gopinath Acharya arrived. Gopinath Acharya was a resident of Nadia, the son-in-law of Visharad and a devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He knew the true identity of his lordship. Gopinath Acharya had previously been acquainted with Mukunda Datta, and when the Acharya saw him at Jagannath Puri, he was very much astonished. Mukunda Datta offered obeisances unto Gopinath Acharya upon meeting him. Then the Acharya embraced Mukunda Datta and inquired about news of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mukunda Datta replied, "The Lord has already arrived here. We have come with him." As soon as Gopinath Acharya saw Nityananda Prabhu, he offered his obeisances unto him. In this way, meeting all the devotees, he asked about news of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again and again. Text 23 to 31. मुकुंद कहे महाप्रभु संन्यास करिया नीलाचले आइला संगे आमा सब लैया आमा सबा छाड़ी आगे गेला दर्शने आमी सब पाछे आइलाम तार अन्वेषणे अन्यो अन्ये लोकेर मुखे जे कथा सुनीला सार्वभौम ग्रहे प्रभु अनुमान कैला ईश्वर दर्शने प्रभु प्रेमे अचेतन सार्वभौम लैया गेला आपन भवन तोमार मिलने जबे आमार हैल मन दैवे से क्षणे पायलुम तोमार दर्शन चल सबे जाई सार्वभौमेर भवन प्रभु देखी पाछे करीबा ईश्वर दर्शन ये त सुनी गोपीनाथ सबारे लैया सार्वभौम घरे गेला हर्षित हैया सार्वभौम स्थाने गया प्रभु के देखिला प्रभु देखी आचार्यरा दुख हर्ष हैला सार्वभौमे जनाया सभा नील अभ्यंतरे नित्यानंद गोसाई रे तेहो कैला नमस्कारे ट्रांसलेशन Mukund Datta continued, after accepting the sannyas order, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come to Jagannath Puri and has brought all of us with him. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left our company and walked ahead to see Lord Jagannath. We have just arrived and are now looking for him. From the talk of the people in general, we have guessed that the Lord is now at the house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Upon seeing Lord Jagannath, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became ecstatic and fell unconscious, and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya has taken him to his home in this condition. Just as I was thinking of meeting you, by chance we have actually met. First, let us all go to the house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Later we shall come to see Lord Jagannath. Hearing this and feeling very pleased, Gopinath Acharya immediately took all the devotees with him and approached the house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Arriving at the house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, everyone saw the Lord lying unconscious. Gopinath Acharya became very unhappy to see him in this condition, but at the same time he was happy just to see the Lord. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya permitted all the devotees to enter his house, and upon seeing Nityananda Prabhu, the Bhattacharya offered him obeisances. Text 32 to 40. Sabha sahit yatha yogya karila milan प्रभु देखी सबार हैल हर्षित मन सार्वभौम पाठाइला सबा दर्शन करिते चंदनेश्वर निज पुत्र दिला सबार साथे जगन्नाथ देखी सबार हैल आनंद भावे ते आविष्ट हैला प्रभु नित्यानंद सबे मेली धरी तारे सुस्थिर करिला ईश्वर सेवक माला प्रसाद आनी दिला प्रसाद पाया सबे हैला आनंदित मने पुनरपि आइला सबे महाप्रभु स्थाने उच्च करी करे सबे नाम संकीर्तन तृतीय प्रहरे हैला प्रभुर चेतन ओंकार करिया उठे हरि हरि बली आनंदे सार्वभौम तार लैला पद धूली सार्वभौम कहे शीघ्र करह मध्यान मोई भिक्षा दिमु आजी महाप्रसाद अन्न समुद्र स्नान करी महाप्रभु शीघ्र आइला चरण पाखाली प्रभु आसने वसीला. Translation. Sarvabhauma met with all the devotees and offered them a proper welcome. They were all pleased to see Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The Bhattacharya then sent them all back to see Lord Jagannath, and he asked his own son Chandaneshwar to accompany them as a guide. Everyone was then very pleased to see the deity of Lord Jagannath. Lord Nityanand in particular was overwhelmed with ecstasy. When Lord Nityananda Prabhu nearly fainted, All the devotees caught him and steadied him. At that time, the priest of the Lord Jagannath brought a garland that had been offered to the deity and offered it to Nityananda Prabhu. Everyone was pleased to receive this garland worn by Lord Jagannath. Afterwards, they all returned to the place where Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying. All of the devotees then began to loudly, text 37 to 44. उच्च करी करे सबे नाम संकीर्तन तृतीय प्रहरे अहिला प्रभुर चेतन ओंकार करिया उठे हरि हरि बलि आनंदे सार्वभौम तार लैला पद धूली सार्वभौम कहे शीघ्र करह मध्यान मोहि भिक्षा दिमो आजी महाप्रसाद अन्न समुद्र स्नान करी महाप्रभु शीघ्र आइला चरण पाखाली प्रभु आसने वसीला. Translation. All of the devotees then began to loudly chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Just before noon, the Lord regained his consciousness. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got up and very loudly chanted Hari Hari. Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya was very pleased to see the Lord regain consciousness, and he took the dust of the Lord's lotus feet. The Bhattacharya informed all of them, please take your midday baths immediately. Today I shall offer you Mahaprasadam, the remnants of food offered to Lord Jagannath. After bathing in the sea, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his devotees returned very soon. The Lord then washed his feet and sat down on a carpet to take lunch. Text 41 to 48. बहुत प्रसाद सार्वभौम आनाइला तबे महाप्रभु सुखे भोजन करिला सुवर्ण थालीरा अन्न उत्तम व्यंजन भक्त गण संगे प्रभु करेन भोजन सार्वभौम परिवेशन करेन आपने प्रभु कहे मोरे देहो लाफरा व्यंजने पीठा पाना देह तुम्ही यहाँ सभाकारे तबे भट्टाचार्य कहे यदि जोड़ी दोई करे जगन्नाथ कैछे करिया छेन भोजन आजी सब महाप्रसाद कर आस्वादन एत बलि पीठा पान सब खाओ आइला भिक्षा कराइया आचमन कराइला आज्ञा मांगी गेला गोपीनाथ आचार्य के लैया प्रभुर निकट आइला भोजन करिया नमो नारायणाय बलि नमस्कार कैला कृष्ण मतिरस्तु बलि गोसाई कहिला. Translation. Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya made arrangements to bring various kinds of Mahaprasad from the Jagannath temple. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then accepted lunch with great happiness. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was offered special rice and first-class vegetables on golden plates. He thus took lunch in the company of his devotees. While Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya personally distributed the prasadam, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu requested him, please give me only boiled vegetables. You can offer the cakes and preparations made with condensed milk to all the devotees. Hearing this, the Bhattacharya folded his hands and spoke as follows. Today all of you please try to taste the lunch just as Lord Jagannath accepted it. After saying this, he made them all eat the various cakes and condensed milk preparations. After feeding them, he offered them water to wash their hands, feet and mouths. Begging permission from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his devotees, Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya then went with Gopinath Acharya to take lunch. After finishing their lunch, they returned to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Offering his obeisances to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya said, Namo Narayanaya. In return, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Krishne Matir Astu. Text 49 to 57. सुनी सार्वभौम मने विचार करिला वैष्णव सन्यासी इन्हो वचने जानिला गोपीनाथ आचार्य रे कहे सार्वभौम गोसाईर जानिते चाही कहाँ पूर्व आश्रम गोपीनाथ आचार्य कहे नवद्वीपे घर जगन्नाथ नाम पदवी मिश्र पुरंदर विश्वंबर नाम इहार तार इन्हो पुत्र नीलांबर चक्रवर्ती रहे न दौहित्र सार्वभौम कहे नीलांबर चक्रवर्ती विशारदेर समाध्यायी ए तार ख्याति मिश्र पुरंदर तार मान्य हेन जानी पितार संबंधे दोहा के पूज्य करी मानी नदिया संबंधे सार्वभौम हृष्ट हैला प्रीत हैया गोसाई रे कहिते लागिला सहजे पूज्य तुम्ही आरेत संन्यास अतैव है तोमार आमी निज दास सुनी महाप्रभु कैला श्री विष्णु स्मरण भट्टाचार्य कहे किचु विनय वचन ट्रांसलेशन Hearing these words, Sarvabhaum understood Lord Chaitanya to be a Vaishnava sannyasi. Sarvabhauma then said to Gopinath Acharya, I want to know Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's previous situation. Gopinath Acharya replied, there was a man named Jagannath who is a resident of Navadvip and whose surname is Mishra Purandar. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the son of Jagannath Mishra and his former name is Vishwambhar Mishra. He also happens to be the grandson of Nilambar Chakravarti. The Bhattacharya said, Nilambar Chakravarti was a classmate of my father, Maheshwar Visharad. I knew him as such. Jagannath Mishra Purandar is also respected by my father. Thus, because of their relationship with my father, I respect both Jagannath Mishra and Nilambar Chakravarti. Hearing that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu belonged to the Nadia district, Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya became very pleased and addressed the Lord as follows. You are naturally respectable, besides you are a sannyasi. Thus, I wish to become your personal servant. As soon as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard this from the Bhattacharya, he immediately remembered Lord Vishnu and began to speak humbly to him as follows. Text 58 to 66. तुम्ही जगत गुरु सर्वलोक हितकर्ता वेदांत पढ़ाओ सन्यासी रूपकर्ता आमी बालक सन्यासी भांड मंद नाही जानी तोमार आश्रय निलो गुरु करी मानी तोमार संग लागी मोरा इहा आगमन सर्व प्रकारे करीबे आमाय पालन आजी जे हैला आमार बड़ई विपत्ति तहाँ हिते कैले तुम्ही आमार अव्याहति भट्टाचार्य कहे एकले तुम्ही ना जाइय दर्शने आमार संगे जाबे किंवा आमार लोकसने प्रभु कहे मंदिर भीतरे ना जाइबा गरुडेर पाशे रही दर्शन करीबा गोपीनाथ आचार्य के कहे सार्वभौम तुम्ही गोसाई रे लैया करायो दर्शन आमार मात्र स्वसाग्रह निर्जन स्थान ताहा वास देहो कर सर्व समाधान गोपीनाथ प्रभु लैया तहा वासा दिला जल जल पात्रादिक सर्व समाधान कैला ट्रांसलेशन Because you are a teacher of Vedanta philosophy, you are the master of all the people in the world and their well-wisher as well. You are also the benefactor of all kinds of sannyasis. I am a young sannyasi and I actually have no knowledge of what is good and what is bad. Therefore, I am taking shelter of you and accepting you as my spiritual master. I have come here only to associate with you and I am now taking shelter of you. Will you kindly maintain me in all respects? The incident that happened today was a great obstacle for me, but you have kindly relieved me of it. The Bhattacharya replied, do not go alone to see the deity at the Jagannath temple. It is better that you go with me or my men. The Lord said, I shall never enter the temple, but shall always view the Lord from the side of the Garuda Stambha. Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya then told Gopinath Acharya, take Goswami ji and show him Lord Jagannath. Also the apartment belonging to my maternal aunt is in a very solitary place. Make all arrangements for him to stay there. Thus Gopinath Acharya took Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to his residential quarters and showed him where to find water, tubs and water pots. Indeed, he arranged everything. Text 67 to 73. आर दिन गोपीनाथ प्रभु स्थाने गिया शयोत्थान दर्शन करायला लैया मुकुंद दत्त लैया आइला सार्वभौम स्थाने सार्वभौम किछु तारे बलीला वचने प्रकृति विनीता सन्यासी देखिते सुंदर आमार बहु प्रीति बाड़े इहार ऊपर कौन संप्रदाय सन्यास कर्या छेन ग्रहण किबा नाम इहार सुनीते है मन। गोपीनाथ कहे नाम श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य गुरु इहार केशव भारती महाधन्य। सार्वभौम कहे इहार नाम सर्वोत्तम भारती संप्रदाय इहो है न मध्यम। गोपीनाथ कहे इहार नाही बाह्य अपेक्षा अतएव बड़ संप्रदाय नाही का अपेक्षा। Translation. The next day, Gopinath Acharya took Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to see the early rising of Lord Jagannath. Gopinath Acharya then took Mukunda Datta with him and went to Sarvabhauma's house. When they arrived, Sarvabhauma addressed Mukunda Datta as follows. The sannyasi is very meek and humble by nature, and his person is very beautiful to see. Consequently, my affection for him increases. From which sampradaya has he accepted the sannyas order, and what is his name? Gopinath Acharya replied, the Lord's name is Sri Krishna Chaitanya, and his sannyasa preceptor is the greatly fortunate Keshav Bharti. Sarvabhauma said, Sri Krishna is a very good name, but he belongs to the Bharati community. Therefore, he is a second-class sannyasi. Gopinath Acharya replied, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu does not rely on any external formality. There is no need for him to accept the sannyas order from a superior sampradaya. Text 74 to 78. भट्टाचार्य कहे इहार प्रौढ़ यौवन के मते संन्यास धर्म हईबे रक्षण। निरंतर यहाँ के वेदांत सुनाइबा वैराग्य अद्वैत मार्गे प्रवेश कराइबा। कहे न यदि पुनरपि योग पट्ट दिया संस्कार करिए उत्तम संप्रदाय आनिया। सुनी गोपीनाथ मुकुंद दुहे दुखी हैला गोपीनाथ आचार्य किछु कहिते लागिला। भट्टाचार्य तुम्ही इहार ना जानो महिमा भगवत लक्षणेरा यहाँ ते ही सीमा। Translation. The Bhattacharya inquired, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is in his full-fledged youthful life. How can he keep the principles of sannyas? I shall continually recite Vedanta philosophy before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so that he may remain fixed in his renunciation and thus enter upon the path of monism. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya then suggested if Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would like, I could bring him into a first-class sampradaya by offering him saffron cloth and performing the reformatory process again. Gopinath Acharya and Mukunda Dutt became very unhappy when they heard this. Gopinath Acharya therefore addressed Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya as follows. My dear Bhattacharya, you do not know the greatness of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All the symptoms of the Supreme Personality of Godhead are found in him to the highest degree. Text 79 to 81. ताहाते विख्यात इहो परम ईश्वर आज्ञा अग्नस्थाने किछु नहे विघ्नेर गोचर। शिष्यगण कहे ईश्वर कहा कौन प्रमाणे, आचार्य कहे विघ्न मत ईश्वर लक्षणे। शिष्य कहे ईश्वर तत्व साधि अनुमाने, आचार्य कहे अनुमाने नहे ईश्वर ज्ञाने। Translation. Gopinath Acharya continued, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is celebrated as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Those who are ignorant in this connection find the conclusion of knowledgeable men very difficult to understand. The disciples of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya retaliated, by what evidence do you conclude that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Supreme Lord? Gopinath Acharya replied, the statements of the authorized acharyas who understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead are proof. The disciples of the Bhattacharya said, we derive knowledge of the absolute truth by logical hypothesis. Gopinath Acharya replied, One cannot attain a real knowledge of the Supreme Personality of Godhead by such logical hypothesis and argument. Text 82 to 87. अनुमान प्रमाण नहे ईश्वर तत्व ज्ञाने, कृपा विना ईश्वर रे केहो नाही जाने। ईश्वरेर कृपा लेश है त जहारे, सहित ईश्वर तत्व जानी बारे पारे। अथापि ते देव पदाम्बुज द्वया, प्रसाद लेशानुग्रहित एव ही, जानाति तत्वं भगवान महिम्नो, न चान्य एको अपि चिरम विचिन्वन्। यद्यपि जगत गुरु तुम्ही शास्त्र ज्ञानवान, पृथ्वी ते नाही पंडित तोमार समान। ईश्वरेर कृपा लेश नाही क तोमाते, अतएव ईश्वर तत्व ना पार जानीते। तोमार नाही क दोष, शास्त्रे जे कहे, पांडित्यादि ईश्वर तत्व ज्ञान कबू नाही। ट्रांसलेशन। Gopinath Acharya continued, one can understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead only by His mercy, not by guesswork or hypothesis. The Acharya continued, if one receives but a tiny bit of the Lord's favor by dint of devotional service, he can understand the nature of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. My Lord, if one is favored by even a slight trace of the mercy of your lotus feet, he can understand the greatness of your personality. But those who speculate in order to understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead are unable to know you, even though they continue to study the Vedas for many years. Gopinath Acharya then addressed Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. You are a great scholar and a teacher of many disciples. Indeed, there is no other scholar like you on earth. Nonetheless, because you are bereft of even a pinch of the Lord's mercy, you cannot understand Him, even though He is present in your home. It is not your fault. It is the verdict of the Scriptures. You cannot understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead simply by scholarship. Text 88 to 92. सार्वभौम कहे आचार्य कह सावधाने, तोमाते ईश्वर कृपा इथे की प्रमाणे। आचार्य कहे वस्तु विषय है वस्तु ज्ञान, वस्तु तत्व ज्ञान है कृपाते प्रमाण। इहार शरीरे सब ईश्वर लक्षण, महाप्रेमावेश तुम्ही पायाछे दर्शन। तबु तो ईश्वर ज्ञान ना है तोमार, ईश्वरेर माया जेई बलि व्यवहार। देखिले ना देखे तारे बहिर्मुख जन, सुनी हासी सार्वभौम बलीला वचन। Translation. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya replied, my dear Gopinath Acharya, please speak with great care. What is the proof that you have received the mercy of the Lord? Gopinath Acharya replied, knowledge of the Sammam Brahmam, the absolute truth, is evidence of the mercy of the Supreme Lord. Gopinath Acharya continued, you have seen the symptoms of the Supreme Personality of Godhead in the body of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu during his absorption in an ecstatic mood. Despite directly perceiving the symptoms of the Supreme Lord in the body of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you cannot understand him. This is commonly called illusion. A person influenced by the external energy is called Bahirmukha Jana, a mundane person, because despite his perception, he cannot understand the real substance. Hearing Gopinath Acharya saying this, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya smiled and began to speak as follows. Text 93 to 99. इष्टगोष्ठी विचार करी ना करी हो रोष, शास्त्र दृष्टि कही किछु ना लइह दोष। महाभागवत है चैतन्य गोसाई, यही कलिकाले विष्णु अवतार नाई। अतएव त्रियुग करी कही विष्णु नाम, कलियुग अवतार नाही शास्त्र ज्ञान। सुनिया आचार्य कहे दुखी हैया मने, शास्त्रज्ञ करीना करिया तुम्हें करो अभिमाने, भागवत भारत दुई शास्त्रे प्रधान, से दुई ग्रंथ वाक्य नाही अवधान। से दुई कहे कलिते साक्षात अवतार, तुम्ही कहो कलिते नाही विष्णु प्रचार। कलियुगे लीला अवतार ना करे भगवान, अतैव त्रियुग करी कही तार नाम। Translation. The Bhattacharya said, we are just having a discussion among friends and considering the points described in the scriptures. Do not become angry. I am simply speaking on the strength of the Shastras. Please don't take any offense. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is certainly a great, uncommon devotee, but we cannot accept him as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu because according to Shastra, there is no incarnation in this age of Kali. Another name for Lord Vishnu is Triyuga because there is no incarnation of Lord Vishnu in Kali Yuga. Indeed, this is the verdict of the revealed scriptures. Upon hearing this, Gopinath Acharya became very unhappy. He said to the Bhattacharya, you consider yourself the knower of all the Vedic scriptures. Srimad Bhagavatam and the Mahabharata are the two most important Vedic scriptures, but you have paid no attention to their statements. In Srimad Bhagavatam and the Mahabharata, it is stated that the Lord appears directly, but you say that in this age there is no manifestation or incarnation of Lord Vishnu. In this age of Kali, there is no Leela avatar of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, he is known as Triyuga, that is one of his holy names. Text 100 to 104. प्रति युगे करेन कृष्ण युग अवतार, तर्क निष्ठा हृदय तोमार नाहिक विचार। आसन वर्णास्त्रयो हि अस्य घृणतो अनुयुगम तनुः, शुक्लो रक्तस्तथा पीत इदानीं कृष्णतां गतः। इति द्वापर उर्वईश स्तुवन्ति जगदीश्वरं, नानातंत्र विधानेन कलावपि तथा शृणु। कृष्णवर्णं त्विषा कृष्णं सांगोपांगास्त्र पार्षदं, यज्ञैः संकीर्तन प्रायैरजन्ति सुमेधसः। सुवर्णवर्णो हेमांगो वरांगश्चंदनांगदी, संन्यासकृच् चमः शांतो निष्ठा शांति परायणः। Translation. Gopinath Acharya continued, there is certainly an incarnation in every age, and as such an incarnation is called the Yuga Avatar. But your heart has become so hardened by logic and argument that you cannot consider all these facts. In the past, your son has had bodies of 3 different colors according to the age. These colors were white, red, and yellow. In this age, Dwapar Yuga, he has accepted a blackish body. In the age of Kali as well as in Dwapar Yuga, the people offer prayers to the Supreme Personality of Godhead by various mantras and observe the regulative principles of the supplementary Vedic literatures. Now please hear of this from me. In this age of Kali, those who are intelligent perform the congregational chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who appears in this age always describing the glories of Krishna. That incarnation is yellowish in hue and is always associated with his plenary expansions such as Sri Nityananda Prabhu and personal expansions such as Gadadhar, as well as his devotees and associates such as Swarupa Damodar. The Lord in the incarnation of Gaurasundara has a golden complexion. Indeed, his entire body, which is very nicely constituted, is like molten gold. Sandalwood pulp is smeared all over his body. He will take the 4th order of spiritual life, sannyas, and will be very much self-controlled. He will be distinguished from the Mayavadi sannyasis in that he will be fixed in devotional service and will spread the Sankirtana movement. Text 105 to 111. तोमार आगे एत कथार नाही प्रयोजन, उसर भूमि ते जैन बीजेर रोपन। तोमार ऊपरे तार कृपा जबे हबे, ये सब सिद्धांत तबे तुम्हें कहिबे। तोमार जे शिष्य कहे कुतर्क नानावाद, इहार की दोष ए मायार प्रसाद। यच्छक्तयो वदताम वादीनाम वै, विवाद संवाद भुवो भवन्ति, कुर्वन्ति चैषाम मुहुरात्म मोहम, तस्मै नमो अनंत गुणाय भुग्ने। युक्तं च सन्ति सर्वत्र, भासन्ते ब्रह्मणा यथा, मायाम मदीयाम उद्घ्रया, वदताम किम्नु दुर्घटाम। तबे भट्टाचार्य कहे, जहा गोसाई स्थाने आमार नामे गण सहित कर निमंत्रण, प्रसाद आनी तारे कराहो आगे भिक्षा, पश्चात आसी हमारे कराहिय शिक्षा। ट्रांसलेशन। Gopinath Acharya then said, there is no need to quote so much evidence from the Shastras, for you are a very dry speculator. There is no need to sow seeds in barren land. When the Lord will be pleased with you, you will also understand these conclusions and will quote from the Shastras. The false arguments and philosophical word jugglery of your disciples are not faults of theirs. They have simply received the benedictions of Mayavada philosophy. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is full of unlimited qualities and whose different potencies bring about agreement and disagreement between disputants. Thus, the illusory energy again and again covers the self-realization of both disputants. In almost all cases, whatever learned Brahmins speak becomes accepted. Nothing is impossible for one who takes shelter of my illusory energy and speaks under her influence. After hearing this from Gopinath Acharya, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya said, first go to the place where Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is staying and invite him here with his associates. Ask him on my behalf. Take Jagannath Prasadam and first give it to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his associates. After that, come back here and teach me. So, I'll continue this later on. Hari Bol Dandapana.